Hey there! Today we're going to be discussing how to choose a credit repair company. There are loads of credit repair companies out there, and a lot of misinformation as well. From massive monopolizing credit repair companies that lack a personal touch, all the way to random poster board signs advertising credit repair in the middle of nowhere. It can be difficult to know who to turn to. We're going to show you what to look for in a credit repair company and what to run away from. Let's get into it. So, credit repair. Credit repair is something that can be done by yourself. It just takes time, research, and persistence to get it done properly. Credit repair companies just do it better. Just like people hire accountants, lawyers, and tax attorneys, people hire credit repair companies to do a better job than they could do themselves. Credit repair companies have the tools, know the laws, and possess the experience to help you out of your situation. When searching for the credit repair company that is right for you, there are some things to look out for. Let's start off with what you absolutely want to see. There are multiple things that credit repair companies should offer you 100% of the time. If they aren't offering all of these things, you are not getting your money's worth. First off, the credit company must follow the law. Credit repair is a legal process. It is not always fast and it can't be guaranteed. Credit repair companies should be following the Fair Credit Reporting Act to work on your behalf and dispute for you. Next up is communication. This is a must. The credit repair company you choose should have clear channels to reach them, whether that be to sign up, if you have any questions, or if you need technical support. If it's hard to contact someone, just find a better company. Also, you want to make sure the quality of the communication is good as well. 24/7 support isn't really that beneficial if everyone you speak with has no interest in actually helping you. Good credit repair companies should have no hassle, easy cancellation policies as well. Good credit repair companies are here to help you, not hurt you. Sometimes people just need to take a break from the payments, and good credit repair companies respect this. Good credit repair companies should be able to provide you with advice, tips, and support through the entire credit repair process. This should come with some way to monitor your credit repair progress online as well. Lastly, if a credit repair company offers you a free consultation, that is a massive green flag. You should accept the free consultation and allow the professional to speak with you about your credit and their program. Be sure to figure out what the service costs will be. You have the right to know up front. Another thing to remember is that apart from the free consultation, these are base level expectations for a good credit repair company. You may not find everything I mentioned everywhere. So now that you know what you should look for in a credit repair company, you also need to know what to run away from. As you know, there are loads of credit repair companies out there. And where there is good, there is also bad. There are a lot of cut rate companies out there who do everything they can to drive their profits at the consumer's expense. They don't have good policies, they don't have effective services, they may have deceptive advertising, and they don't care about you, the consumer. We truly hope you can avoid working with one of those companies, as not everyone is so lucky. If you're looking to work with a credit repair company, watch out for the following. Guarantees. In the world of credit repair, guarantees are a no-go. It's actually illegal for a credit repair company to say something like, "Get a 100-point credit score increase in 90 days, guaranteed." These companies can't actually guarantee that this will happen, as the legal disputing process provides no guarantees. If a guarantee sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Here are a couple other things that should set off alarms in your head as well. If a company tells you to falsify your identity, yeah, you'd be surprised. You should run. If a company asks you to pay before the services start, or if a company won't tell you how much it's going to cost, you should run here too. Basically, watch out for money-back guarantees or progress guarantees. They are lies and they're most likely illegal as well. These are all the things that we want you to keep in mind when you're looking to partner with a credit repair company. Avoid the bad companies and find the one that is best for you. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.